Officer Johnny Q says,
"You make the world the worst place. We all hate you for it." Good question. So because I'm a police officer, you hate me? Interesting. I'm just gonna leave this right here for you.
If you hate cops just because they're cops, the next time you get in trouble, call a crackhead.
with over 1,000 people killed by police in 2023 alone, many of them innocent and dying just at routine traffic stops and even during welfare checks. And we're not even counting the statistical fact that 40% of police officer families experience domestic abuse. And we're not even counting the police officer abuse of children and teens, the homeless like James Boyd and Kelly Thomas, the killing of pets, the assault on elderly grandmas like Karen Garner in Loveland, Colorado. And we're not even counting guys trying their hardest to follow rapid-fire police commands like poor scared out of his mind Daniel Shaver. And dare I mention the police slaying of Good Samaritan Johnny Hurley, who shot and killed a man who intended to target and eliminate cops in Arvada, Colorado? If you want to know more about that one, I'll leave a link in the description below. Honestly, if you could die during a welfare check, don't you think your odds of survival are a little bit better in the hands of a crackhead? So with the horrific state of American policing today, when we're in trouble, what do, Johnny Q?
Call a crackhead.
Yeah, Emilio? Hey man, I'm in some serious trouble, and man, I could use some help. The moral of the story, if you're ever in trouble,
Call a crackhead.
and
Buy a shotgun.